Hey everybody, welcome to another MASC Minute. It's Jamie at shopmasc.com. So roll-on colognes continue to be a really popular product. It's basically fragrance but in an oil form in a little roll ball like this. So it's great for travel, or if you have commitment issues and don't want to buy a big bottle of cologne, this is a good option. So basically it's like eau de toilette or eau de parfum, any sort of cologne, except there's no water, no alcohol in it. It's just some sort of oil base, and then the fragrance itself. So this particular one, it's a fairly new product for Imperial. It sort of reminds me, and other customers, it's quite similar to Le Labo's Santal 33. If any of you know what that is, then you will sort of have an idea what this smells like. But the notes of this are amber, spicy cinnamon, and cedar. So it's sort of woodsy, sweet, spicy. I quite like it. I think it's very unique. It's not like anything else that we have in the shop. So if those notes appeal to you, then this might be a good product for you to try. So yeah, check it out, shopmasc.com, the Imperial Crown 1 Roll-On Cologne. And if you're in Vancouver, you're welcome to come and give it a try in the store. Thanks for listening.